What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And it's time for the new series. Hey, come here. Angry Puppy. Look what's here. Hey. Oh my gosh, I pulled my headphones out. Hold on. Alright, there you go, guys. You can hear me now. I accidentally pulled my headphones out. Let's go check out Angry Puppy. Angry Puppy, what are you doing? Angry Puppy got stuck. Got stuck in his butt. Angry Puppy, oh, who's that? Oh, it's Angry Puppy's mommy. Angry Puppy. Where's Angry Puppy going now? Going to investigate the trash cans. Angry Puppy goes. He goes. He's walking around. What will he do next? Almost runs into the chair. He's going in. Oh my gosh. Oh! And he's gonna stand there and look at us. And he looks at his butt. What are you doing, Angry Puppy? What the heck? What are you doing, Angry Puppy? Angry Puppy! He's going down very slowly. Go, Angry Puppy. Get down there. Get. Oh my gosh. I'm running in circles. I'm so scared. Angry Puppy was right over there. I'm doing the splats. You guys okay? Angry Puppy almost got us. Set up the camera. I'll go get Angry Puppy. Okay, turn up the volume. I'm coming, guys. Okay, sit there. I just gotta do something real quick. I'm gonna go get Angry Puppy as my true form. Pikachu! Pika! Let's go. I'll be right back. Angry Puppy! Come on! Hello, my name is Pikachu. What's your name? Oh no! The Angry Puppy's mom. Angry Puppy, he's right over there. Let's go investigate the Angry Puppy. Hold on. I gotta put back in my head. Put the headphones